Hi, I'm Sarah from Fluke. You might ask yourself why you'd need an air leak detector like the Fluke ii900. Simple, because compressed air, gas, steam, or vacuum are not only extremely expensive, but one of the largest sources of energy waste in the production industry. A single 3mm leak can cost up to 6,000 euros a year. The Fluke ii900 Sonic Industrial Imager is specially designed for production facilities that rely on compressed air. What makes it so unique from all the other conventional leak detectors in the market? The ii900 has 64 directional microphones to detect the sound waves given off by a leak. That is overlaid on top of an image taken through the camera, helping you quickly pinpoint the leak's exact location. The ii900's frequency range is 2 to 52 kHz. It's also able to detect leaks up to 50 meters, so you can walk around large facilities, track down leaks as they occur, and ensure your team is safe when inspecting hazardous areas. Our imager also has adjustable frequency ranges, which you can set to filter out audible noises so you can do inspections during normal operation hours. You no longer have to wait for plant downtime, nights, or weekends. The ii900 is very easy to use, and anyone in maintenance team can use it, even without training. Because of this, we've seen inspection rounds go 5 to 10 times faster. Not only is the Fluke ii900 a tool that can be used by anyone, anytime, it also helps you avoid unplanned downtime, eliminate safety risks, help carbon footprint reduction, improve your energy efficiency, and last but not the least, make significant energy cost savings for your company. So that's the Fluke ii900 Sonic Industrial Imager. If you want to learn more about how it can help you, or want to schedule a live demo at your facility, please leave your information through the form, and one of our representatives will get in contact with you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.